Today we're going to show you something we've been building for 18 months. We spent 18 months watching the same thing happen. Every meeting, the same story. A room full of smart people, waiting, watching one screen, hoping someone asked the right question. And when it was over, someone would always say, "Can you just send the deck?" As if the deck was ever the point. Everything looked flat, bullet points, stock images, the occasional pie chart. We'd been giving our best people the worst tools. Then we started thinking, what makes a great presentation? Not the slides, the story, the moment someone leans in. We built an AI that has the design capabilities of the best presentation builders on earth, the knowledge of a sales coach. So we built an AI that thinks like your best presenter. You tell it what matters. Content needs to be immersive to grab the audience's attention. We need to see what you're talking about. We need to be in the room. We need to feel it. This was missing from the current medium. No more handing off a deck and hoping for the best. No more wondering if they even opened it. Now you know who opened it, what they read, where they stopped, and what made them come back. Every view, every second of attention, measured, not vanity metrics, real insight. You finally see what your audience actually cares about. 3 hours, every single week. That's what our teams were spending on templates. One template, every opportunity. Journeys adapts your story to every audience, automatically, without starting from scratch, ever again. What if your presentation could react, could adapt, could surprise? We didn't improve the presentation, we replaced it entirely. This is what it feels like. Not slides, not a deck, not a PDF someone skims on their phone. A journey. Everything you just saw. AI that understands persuasion, analytics that reveal intent, templates that adapt, and journeys that emerge. Welcome to Journeys. Time to be unforgettable.